Welcome to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to guide you on how to create Tonkeeper wallet. Tonkeeper is the easiest way to store, send and receive Toncoin on the open network, which is a powerful new blockchain that offers unprecedented transaction speeds and throughput while offering a robust programming environment for smart contract applications. Now, to create Tonkeeper wallet, make sure to get the application on your device. Here you can see two options: create new wallet or import existing wallet. If you already have your account, then you can tap on import existing wallet. But we are about to create a new wallet, so we will tap on the first option. Now, the first step is to create a new passcode for yourself. After you are done creating yourself a passcode, make sure to re-enter the passcode. You can now choose if you want to enable the notification, which will make you notify when you receive tokens and NFTs. In case if you don't want the notification, you can tap on later option at the top right corner. You can now see a Tonkeeper wallet has been created. Now you can easily store, send and receive Toncoin on the open network. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.